morning and to have an opportunity to speak a word of encouragement to those of you who worked so hard to get here to first today. When I was the age of some of you who are competing in the first competition, I thought about this idea of putting a man on the moon. And John F. Kennedy, the President of the United States at the time, was very passionate about that. And we all got so excited about a man being put on the moon. In fact, we buzzed about it. In those days, we didn't have Twitter and Tweet and Facebook and all the things you have today, but somehow there was this buzz created about putting a man on the moon. One of our vice presidents at BA Systems, Paul Marquardt, talked about how this idea of a man on the moon was one of the things that motivated him to go into engineering. So I'm really not here to talk about putting a man on the moon, but I'm using that as a way to ask you to contemplate this question. What's your man on the moon? What's that thing that inspires passion in you? What legacy do you want to leave? What mark do you want to make in the world? This is just a start. So think about that. When I was your age also, women as a general rule weren't guided towards careers in sciences and technology. But since I've worked at BAE Systems, I've developed a deep and abiding appreciation of engineering and what it is and what it does, and the difference it makes in our lives each and every day. And this is the point of view I've come to. I know engineering is not going to solve all the world problems, but the thing I think it will solve are the problems we face in terms of figuring out how to sustain ourselves on this planet and not destroy it. So as you go through this weekend, I ask you to think about what's your man on the moon? What's that thing that you think will be the thing that you'll use to make a difference and to leave a legacy? So have fun, have a great time, carry that thought in your hearts as you contemplate your careers and what you want to do with the rest of your life. And remember, the rest of us on the planet are counting on you. Thanks so much.